Still sending manual quotes or confusing spreadsheets to prospects? In this video, you'll learn how to build an interactive pricing calculator in Outgrow step by step so your leads can get instant quotes and you can capture more sales qualified leads automatically. Outgrow is a no-code platform for building interactive content like quizzes, calculators, and assessments that convert. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create a pricing calculator complete with tiers, add-ons, and logic jumps to boost engagement and shorten your sales cycle. Step-by-step guide. Step 1, choose template. Let's start by logging into Outgrow and selecting a numerical calculator. You can start from scratch or pick a ready-made pricing calculator template from our library. Step 2, customize questions. Add questions. Select the types of questions you want to engage customers with. You can also add a description by enabling the description button. Additionally, you can select options with minimum or maximum values. Use abbreviations for values to make it interactive. Step 3, add pricing logic. Next, go to the result page and under Configure Result, select the Edit tab. Here you can find the Formula Builder dashboard to set up logic, or you can use an Excel-based table by uploading an Excel file with data and formulas. Step 4, design and branding. Now, style your calculator to match your brand. Add your logo, change colors, and pick a background image that fits your theme. Step 5, add lead form. Before showing results, add a lead generation form. Collect names, emails, or business size and connect it directly to HubSpot, Salesforce, or Zapier. Step 6, publish and share. Finally, click Publish to go live. You can embed your calculator on your website by adding this script code to the web page where you want it to appear. Businesses using pricing calculators on Outgrow have seen up to 2x higher conversion rates and 40% faster deal closures. That's because interactive quotes turn curiosity into conversions. Ready to build your own pricing calculator? Try Outgrow for free and start turning browsers into buyers today.